Hello everyone, we are from Team Markytics. Our topic for today is customer lifetime value. The very first question which arises is, what is customer lifetime value? Well, customer lifetime value is a prediction of how valuable a customer is going to be to your business over a specified period of time. Calculating CLV allows you to determine what each of your acquired customers are worth to your company store in the long run. CLV also creates an awareness of how much you should be spending on your marketing efforts such as acquisition, retention, and promotion or discounts. Moving on, so what are the types of CLV? Well, CLV can be calculated using two ways. Firstly, simple historical method using past transactions. Secondly, predictive LTV. So now calculating average revenue and average tenure of customers, there are two steps. Step 1. Calculate average revenue per customer per year. Suppose we have 5 customers. Sales value for those 5 customers is as follows. So the average revenue per customer according to the table will be 2127. Step 2. Calculate average lifetime value of customer. In the table, we can see lifespan of each customer. So the average tenure of customers will be 4.6 years. Thus, on an average, customer stays with the company for 4.6 years after acquisition of customer. Moving on, calculating CLV basis simple historical method using past transaction. The formula which we will use is provided. So, in our case, cost of acquisition to be considered 5,000 as assumption. So, calculating CLV, we get 4,783.28. Now, calculating CLV basis predictive lifetime value method. Two main factors used for calculating predictive LTV are, firstly, customer retention rate. This number of customer retained or kept purchasing from company during given period of time. We will keep retention rate as 75%. Secondly, the rate of discount. So, the rate of discount is the interest rate used to determine the present value of future cash flows. Usually, this number falls between 8% to 15%. For our analysis, we will consider it at 15%. So the formula which we will use is provided. So calculating predictive LTV, we get 13,343.65. Finally, the advantages of CLV are as follows. Firstly, determination of the optimal level of investments in marketing and sales activities. Secondly, encourages marketers to focus on the long-term value of customers instead of investing resources in acquiring cheap customers with low total revenue value. Thirdly, a good basis for selecting customers and for decision making regarding customer specific communication strategies. So friends, the data and the explainer video of this analysis can be downloaded from the link below. Thank you.